Hello, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Only about 2 more weeks until the end of school, and then we are done. Yes. So, I know a lot of you are doing end of the year projects, and so I wanted to showcase a few little tips and tricks that I use when inserting images into my Google Docs, my Google Sheets, and my Google Slides. So I'm just going to choose my website evaluation lesson because it's right here. And so I'm going to practice on that. And I have inserted a Bitmoji, which they're my favorite. So to insert pictures, you don't have to Google anything. Open a new tab, save it to your desktop, save it to your drive. You can do something so much simpler. If you go over here to insert, go to image, click on search the web, a search box will pop right up on the side of here, on the side of your screen. Excuse me, sorry about that. All right, so you would click on search, and let's search for tennis ball. So you can search, let's just use this one, click on it, then you go down here and you click on insert. You can double click on it and it goes right here, and you can move it. You can do whatever you want with that picture there. I like doing that on Google Slides because it's simple. It's so easy. So you can also do it on your Google Docs. So let's just open a new one. And here's your blank Google Docs. And you can do the exact same thing with your Google Docs here. Go to Insert, go to, once it loads, it's a little slow this morning. It needs to be woken up a little bit. Go to Image, go to Search the Web, and you can also add from Google Photos or Google Drive or anything of the sort. So if you want to insert a picture you've taken, you can also do that. Tennis ball, double click, and there's your image. And you can click on it and you can size it however you want. And the other cool thing that I'm going to show you today is you can actually insert images onto your Google Sheets. You can insert them into the cells. So we've clicked over here to Google Sheets. We're going to go to Insert, Image, and we're going to insert an image in the cell, which is pretty cool. You can take a screenshot, take a snapshot of yourself. You can insert the URL. You can search your Google Drive, your albums, but I'm going to search computer. I'm going to search Google. So I'm going to search Google right here, and I'm going to search for tennis ball. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one, and you double click on it, and it appears right here. So if you're making name tags and you want to put just like a little animal or something on your labels, or you want to sort kids by a picture instead of a number or a word, this is a good way to do it. And so today we have learned how to insert an image on slides, docs, and sheets. And I hope you all have an awesome day. Thank you.